Hi, this is Mima Obivia Akwaba. Had latest and hot news in Kwa Enamity Bremo. Anuti se wunya subscribe ya. Bobody say ube subscribe to the channel. Yobe answer ube click the subscribe button. Now what barely notification. We answer new video be upload no. With the first person I was abeka video. I think we are like video to give us a thumbs up. No fee. Share my Owusu so now when you be here na who and some so ewo Ghana manwa Afriyie bowra ye some abedo ye so eye NAPO mati opoku prempe onama wo ye campaign nsem bi odi kotu bia say ye NDC fo ekumasofo abosofo na woto abama ye NDC fo a eye kamofo so dan wani be dibu ni na ekoye sebebre yana fo etwene asere abasa bi tutu bi emane no na we dey na Jantuah ye security back on so Isha FM na we dey ensema tuja watu bi amani eye NAPO sa so na ye kiti kabintela ono so Aremeyaw to sansemwe ema wada ensem do na ra edi yesem no ententemara yembura wanakachi eti eye na Jantuah ye pena eye kabintela so reaction etwa eye na Jantuah ensem so eti ensema ekoso yenti wan ensem no
pacho muntie miye NPP for muntie na we ye futu mamo se me ka NAPO asema eya na ayedin akoye wo fasina ntikuru to be kan se na unia na ya na wo ye ne sa no nokre enimnia nokre nso ka edin enti ka ne wo se ye ka me pese utie voice bi kakra na miwia de mpese meka no maka ebia watie sa voice no pese utie NAPO oyeko campaign na campaign mu na no koka kwa me nkroma
hot news all time
na no sa koka ba ko no wuye no hot news all time e ma ho asem kra nya nkan wie na no yewura se yatetu ahemfie enti de nkrofo kan emane nye ho yenti de NAPO kai yibi ebeto aso
Kwade kubasofu omu kubasofu akese mienu ogana ha nefe ba ko difu asari nefe omu kwade kubasofu akese mienu ogana ha nefe ba ko difu asari nefe ba ko brada amwako omu yire wi aketekete omu ye omanyo omu kubasofu na drobo okoye HIV agro ye kunishe ngura mebu ana Obu na sabu bum kamo sorry die. What is zongo now to my NDC? Obo be bum wa sorry die.
Me say bobiem. Nti munti.
Obu kwa de kuba sofu. Obu kuba sofu akese mienu ogana ha. Nefe ba ko difu asari. Nefe ba ko brada amwako. Obu yire wi aketekete. Obu ye omanyo. Obu kuba sofu na drobo. Okoye HIV agro ye kunishe ngura mebu ana. Obu na sabu bum kamo sorry die. What is zongo now to my NDC? Obo be bum wa sorry die.
Me say about third time. See, we in NAPO. Dr. Bawumia, vice presidential candidate no NAPO.
Obu kwa de kuba sofu. Obu kuba sofu akese mienu ogana ha. Nefe ba ko difu asari. Nefe ba ko brada amwako omu yire wi aketekete omu ye omanyo omu kuba sofu na drobo okoye HIV agro ye kunishe ngura mebu ana omu na sabu bum kamo sorry die. What is zongo now to my NDC? Obo be bum wa sorry die.
Mabono miensa so. We eye Matthew opoku prempe NAPO. Mianka seminia. Mpanyufo bi ni me kasaye so we de wa wo nia nti nyoma bi wo ayemboa no. But you see ade ba kwa minim ye ene nkontompo meni ade ne nya me nkase eye. De wose nipa ye ni bia ne eye no no. Asem ogege no so dodo. MPP for ma me nka nkire mo. Say mo say NAPO boa mo a or say mo votes more. Me ka kire mo. Se maye ma adwin se muntimi ne nkasa muntimi ni munkochi no Inti wonkeka sansem hunu we ya na eno ne beboa mo a.
Hot news all time.
I'm telling you say enyoma nye.
Hot news all time.
You go so your research bi. Enche research ne beba. Memem people for na down say na po eboa mo. Na po eminia obi anim dada. But say muntimi nkochi no na mo fa ne normal hwe dede de na da se nipa rally de aban bia benya domo jomahama wo dom rally de normal onti se ukosia dom no na wan hu ekwan abefa so akasa ni aya napo trimude napo yenkawansem napo saa na ubie wano a panyi te sewo kanyansa sema ebetimi aboa Dr. Bawumia hwe de Dr. Bawumia ye or campaigni or Kennedy obetimi aye or digitalization wabeye minister ewo education wabeye minister ewo energy sansem wenyina anya platform a wuntimi nka wansem de ntia maya ade chen John Dramani Mahama enyoma bebra wo beye as an education minister obo homodin energy ba obo homodin no ni nyina wuntimi nka bi ginsem hunu ensema enkwada na wose muka enkwada ensema fu soldiers na wose kasa asem no na wuti platform kese so kanyansasem emani pentie ni enkoto abama NPP a JJ timer obi wuye eni yeku no ena enkremofuo otobo abama nkremofuo a NDC a otu abama NDC a yebebubu nkremofuo dan bra aden na wugu yanim asesa kasa wei yenkwada asem so obi antimi nkatwa me meka kire wo wugu yanim ase dodo onsem nye ne nye wo kasa nye dia wo ye no tan wo ha Dr. Bawumia yewure futuo no wonfa why wadwen sa wonfa che so obeye de obeye because ya na poku na trimu ye odesa na po adan da ben na John Mahama ana NDC omukobubu enkremofo asori dan da ben ka kire me da ben na NDC buy 8 years at Mills bepem John Mahama 2016 to abetia no okoye say me NDC for the empenkremofo asem enti akwa bubu sa anyoma no. So who can soja banya and then who cares about listen the youth do not even care about who the JJ and then me the JJ politics who you serious and then me the JJ politics who cares the youth know my bana omuye from 2001 why the name they see with JJ and to the JJ even JJ mpo atamils amfa NPP for in 2008 Eddie JJ a year politics Otoma Tamilsa what one my JJ no and no cry amfa. Are you serious Napo? Are you serious? I say akrebi I say trimudeni ya ode yentimi nkawa asem ti trimudeni sedenyo enti baby awedri ye too fui awo yewura se kasa ye jahantan sem no de wutimi kwake be convince ni pane say otu amama NDC a obewa bebubu nkramudan na omu ne ku asofo ena omu di bi gu nwuram waba beye wo ye government for 8 years untimi nti obi antum for 8 years so una wa ban wo ho enti wo intelligence say ewo ho say NDC for ne ku asofo NDC for ne ku akoye oye HIV AIDS na 8 years nie na po utso wentimi antena till the timer you as a vice president me kasa nkoda asem ni nsem hunu wei e kire nipa na nipa so ni e boy nsem hwe let me tell you NPP for na po dimawu na sa no kra ne kan ya mu ntiema so odin sa so odin na me kan ya mu antie enne afekire ne so no aso din na me tumu fu a mo se me mpena na Akufo-Addo asem ene na awo mo se amuntimi nka je say won say enyoman mu hu MB before wushio ma na afei na beju bu na Akufo-Addo ogu party no sansem na me kan na mo ntia se mo se me mpena asem ene na po amu yi na amunim so beboa mo no hwe nsem hu na woka Sanyoma way, I am so shocked with National Investigative Bureau (NIB). This is a criminal issue. Obietimia kameda or that's what you your campaign. NIB for mu police for other IGP way one tiana. Sena Jantuah ne kwa bibi an kamera ba betino. Enti de na pokan ya wose onim the was kan nature say onim say obi ne ku. Why is he still working freely? Adentina na poni nam ho amonche no IGP. Sansem hunu ye anapo kan no adenti na monche no mo twende because ye napo say ordinary person ko an NDC ni bia na opposition ko ka asasemu yankenne ka won say police IGP ye di tuo e kwa koche opposition say waka say obi ne kun we no obi na we sansemu we ya waka obi a entimi ntia no kan je say na po wan ka say ye NPP for bon omunsem no say NDC for na ko kan ya afi na peace council I feel that I'm going say a passenger. I now understand the reasons why I said don't get us on sign peace council. Men sign. Men this for on sign peace council. No more moon sign. The BCBNC. Matthias said the entire time and this for so moon sign peace council because this is useless. Useless exercise. That ubia woka peace in wasem. Na po jina honne Kenyans assemble Ghana for. Obia wo ya. Yentimi nya investigation wona wa ban wo ho obi a HIV AIDS wo ye ya owu ya yenim de ekun no wonnya hu se NDC fo no oda so to ade na mon frɛ no IGP sanwoma we na wo ya wadwuma na wo ye no bonse na afi question integrity because any Donald Trump our president hwɛ de ye no wo USA entina Obama ka say build a strong institution ade wo ntimi nkoka ba bia mfa ho ni bagana ha NAPO obesa ye campaign ne obesa ye campaign obenna bibia nsi ye benya NPP fo am na ba be defend na me on this platform will be me defend
hot news all time
ye benya NPP fo me defend wa ka dey wan ka hwe no ka say no saa wo na wo defend kura no sika no nya bi ni wona who defending no wo kra wo nim but also be defending because a party enti chese wo join the party chese wo ntimi for wagene nya adwuma is that what we are saying that no be your party communicator wo ntimi for wagene nya adwuma ntimi nka say ade we de enye ade we de eye we wan ka say o ka kwa me nkroma asem Ghana force jai sasem hunu no o ko ka papa ba ko no wu ye no eno ho asem kra nya nkan wieye afi de o last stop ne say NDC for ne kun omnum kun wura mu na NDC na bra chese wo ha MPP for dodo na bia I'm sure say Dr. Bawumia kra ha no but we ya kan wie ye hwe de IGP beye ye hwe de nkrofo beye but say wo tie mi a na ye MPP ni na wo tie mi a huni say the essence on the influence of NAPO the entie yi NAPO sen county memua Ashanti region no enche post bi ba ye guso ye research na be hu se so far we no de ye no so ye no wo emabru ku aso enche beba ye guso ye sa research ye guso ye analysis no na nyoma ye hu efa papa no ho ene nyoma omo ka no emabunu we nya MPP emabunu omo ye students ene ene omo di nkomo ana maso odin sa ye ka che o se na pono se man timi an coach na obe ha adwen but still and when you didn't remember, and when you turn, I'm so disappointed.
I want you to understand, say, election economy. Remember, too complicated, ma. It's simple. So we study NPP for our campaigner. Send the utie like na make sure a story about NAPO. Say utumi kojina baby. Na the campaign message nyina say, oh, they killed pastors. The NDC killed 2 pastors. One was Prophet Asare and the other brother Amwako, and the NDC killed them in the afternoon. They didn't stop there. They killed a traditionalist named Nana Drobo. Now, say a presidential candidate in 2024, Anna Flag running mates, the campaign message then you need to understand something. I also say this is not the first time they are adopting the strategy. And me will say a few people on my TV were trying to let Ghanaians know. Momenti na no asem ni say majority of you have heard it. Ne yankan wasem.
Omukwa ne kuba sofo. Omukwa sofo akese mienu Ghana ha. Ne fe ba ko Odifu Asare. Ne fe ba ko brother Amwako. Omo yire wi aketekete. Omukwa bosofo na drobo. Okoye HIV agro. Ye kuni shengura mebo ana. Omo sabu pum kamo sore dai. What is zongo? Now to my NDC. Obo bebu wa sore dai. Oria wa besi mochiri. Na hu wa ye dem. Wa ko dem. Obisi Hospital, no Obisi Mochi.
You're watching
Opa
GC
Hospital and
News
Alpha
on
Mochi.
YouTube. Hot news all time.
Opa Hospital and Alpha
Watching
Mochi.
GC News on YouTube. Hot
Opa
news
Hospital
all
School,
time.
Opa School and Opa Safety.
So, say, I did where you want remember in your one because Mamika be been strong. From 2008, right? This is how the NPP they have actually done their campaign. From 1996. The reason why I ended on expose you on say. So we studied 2008, eba 2010, 11, 12, 13. Obia nim de Akufo-Addo ni NPP ko kan wunkrase me wa. We didn't know. We had no idea their message when they went to the villages. Even Kufuor. From Kufuor time and omuye campaign. Omo ba ekroma their message e okrom no different from message omo de we kurase o. It is a study NPP now. From time it has always been making sure say they play on the emotions of people through lies. It is because of social media and now say, hey, now 2024, a running mate party me could jina stage. And you know some way. One can cry, one can kumas, one can talk radio, or kokra sebio esaka kremu. And that is what they do in the small towns and villages. So mo kon krasia. Nana do dan Kweku ne Bawumia mu sis no. What they did during Bawumia ne Akufo-Addo time no, mame short trick no. Omo ma Bawumia etena nkran ne kumase ene takrade ene na oye symposia and symposiums ene o kambrofo, right? Ene na Akufo-Addo ko nkurase one osafomafo. Omo ko nkurase na omo ka che nkurase fo ne se JJ Rawlings party ni nie omo ba beku ahemfo. Omo ba beku asofo, omo ba betu Otumfuo, omo beji egudie, omo beseya enti messenger na omo de na munkurase no. It was different from messenger na Bawumia tenkran edeman kran fo no because oba nkran na oba ekron kese ma sebio emudodo akọ school kakra na it is difficult for you to come and make such a vague statement. Enti omo MPP for dem omo adapt strategy mienu. On sa statement na po ye no. Bawumia metuma ye ba omo ma Bawumia nye. What they will do is say, Napo munko nkurase, na ye nuanom a sebi omunko school kakra, ye maamenom na omo ho no. Onfa bibi nko to omutirimu say, obi pa oboku omo. NDC be di omowu. Na NDC ne ba rolling saban, omo beku omo, omo be se omo se. Enti NPP for no, they have two kinds of strategies. A campaign. Omo campaign message for nkurase for, and omo campaign message for kromfo. Abra the NDC campaign message is the same. They just want to send development to the people. In the NDC no konkrasia, they are like, we want to build hospital. We want to build school. Ya pese ya mo kwan no. Munji endi na mo fembra bem no. Omo firi na MPP ba, omo se wo nkofo we, omo ye ntafo. One we mu JJ Rawlings asefo, omo ye Togofo ya nwonafo. We mu no ani se omo di mu so. Omo ba mahemfo no omo wa ha no, omo ba betu omo ade so, omo ye bom tuo. Den na 2024. Obi a wo se wo ye doctor. Obi a wo se wo PhD. Obi a wo se what na parliament. Den na wenya running mate position a utumi ko gina baby ka se NDC for ekum sofo. Ekum traditionalist. NDC for ekum sofo binti. And the Ghana for kom no ma omo remfi. Nti de omo nkai se NPP kun sofo kwase ampanyi bi a minimum no. You see the kind of politics these foolish people do. Maka just a party no. A party, it was built out of their hate and a tribe. It is party campaign, a emotional campaign. And it's about na emoji dana samwa diomeni moton kwasi anyom. It is not about you. It's about what they will get. It is utie na po na okan semsia utie na asem no. O say sa uti zongo na sa wotoma NDC a muntie na po. Okan video no say uti zongo na wotoma NDC a and this best say oh dear masalachi tie. This is the message of the namunkurase tie na pokwasi ampenyiwe asantimemu no frio na pokwasi ampenyiwe asantimemu no di MP na pokwasi ampenyiwe inkremofo a omosom den ala omokọ masalachi juma omo emu bi na to abama akwasi awe ya bozongofo nson ewo asawase wo asantimemu na pobesi de onka bi but wetuma kwakurase wo ka kire sebi oyenuanom nkremofo bo nkurase se woto abama NDC a obabubu masalachi kwase awe. You see, they run two kinds of campaigns. And omunim say Ghana for ni be Jimmy. And from 1996, Mami from Kweku Annan and Akoto, eti NPP no, they have always preyed on the emotions of the people. It has never been about the development of the people. In the South study NPP for messenger, every message NPP about Tribia is based on speculations. Yeah. Every single statement that NPP making against NDC Biano is speculations. They have never been able to, at the end of the day, provide evidence to anything they have said against NDC Nibia in Ghana to date. Because almost two types of their voters. Almost voters are almost NPP for the name so much Jimmy. Because when they go to the villages, they prey on their emotions. Oh, when do we increase for na poko catching increase for no more say NDC for dear Rollins and call for we want for Togo for Bekumo Sofubi. Now you get it. Into Wemuno, they don't do politics. Me see from 1992 a democratic nation. And some NPP akafa NDC penyini bia hu bia ya tro. They have not been able to prove one. I'm still standing here waiting for NPP to say, ya ka some way to Rawlings so na ba kumpo ya nokura. Ni nyina speculations. Hey. Na unim, ya nananom, ya papanom, ndi omeye hwe esa no mu campaign tie. Hey, na time brand na wo ho. Hwe, ya te say, ya papanom ka kire ye say, na unim de see ye, obi antumi ma factual statements. There are no records to assembly NPP for Kafa Rawlings on. Never. And all these statements are built from one community. One tribe that build it, a hearsay. They can create hearsay to become factual. And you study JJ Rawlings. Assembia NPP for Kafa JJ Rawlings during or after elections, they were not able to prove one from J. Akufo Ebesiha and and omoka some to Rawlings so be seen there in some Akufo to Rawlings so ye won't send people back kumpa babonta because na me gina hona Rawlings ye say ebe seen there na unim ya die ye nim sao we mu die omo mpa asem ye ne hwe we die ye ntiase sao that is the kasa ye nim omo we mu hwe na unim bebe omo free we mu ntafo we awonafo we die omo yen ganafo na we mu mfiri he omo papa na ntwie no mu nkodi so na omo be den omo be sey ye die ha na tio ohene ne som no sa kasa no. And when you ask them about the facts ebe sinne obi antumi tina radio so nka say this is the fact about JJ Rawlings ebe sinne e din say in twatoso omo wie JJ Rawlings good ani ma se wie e na omo de ba atamels so atamels yeso wa wukura na onim on de ko abrochiro wa wukura atamels de on mpo de na atamels yeso onye professor atamels on mpo de na esi we sa na atamels team omuku no ebe sinne ade bi na omkafa atamels wan na enokre omu party mu obi antumi ba bonte be kasa asem wei na eye factual wei fa atamels ho prof atamels infantini jimi ni de e de no be die so de bia obi agimi omu nkwa na nim nyansa obi agimi na bunu ni wei brekum ni wei na infantini wei ahonafo de na ngwentafo de bia obi agimi omu nkwa na akyekyere nsa ensam ne de ato nipa so team kwame nkroma de so no de nzemanfo mwei obi anim nyansa omu nkwa ne akyekyere nsam ene de so a de atamels free ho ena de baaye John Mahama ekra the case ne say because na atamels mpodo ya kani na unu say ene fantifo de ye ne enkofo mumuye enti John Mahama baaye because John Mahama sibia obeye president no omo no mudi NPP echi bebre they were not expecting it to happen. They were not expecting so quickly 10 ba be di Ghana so it was a shock. Enti God in his own wisdom oye ne nyoma the way he wants no. When he took the life of Atamels, it was John Mahama who had to be president. It was a shock, and now a plan was supposed to be devised. Because you see, so when creating a plan, fan to John Mahama 10 in this way. Because look at it. Time man Atamels your president, you know. So Atamels every 18 na people would have contested John Mahama to the point whereby Anka Group B ebe tweetia John Mahama if we say, or you're 10 young man, what be the vice president here? You don't have. They were not expecting because they were building blocks in the NDC. Anka ebe distracted John Mahama from being the president. If John Mahama be a president, that was the biggest shock. Now, what do we do? How do we destroy this young man? In his political career, he has been clean. He has gone through the mill. Why a MP? Why a minister? Why a vice president? Now he's president. Every test in our political area school, he has passed through it. So how do we take this guy out? So it was orchestrated not by supporters of NPP Nkwao, by Ahemfo, by Etitiwa. They see John Mahama Teni say, and yes, I was say Okyehene bi etumi hu Teni or president ebuno. So one, we need to lower the presidency. So the strategy is make sure you lower the presidency. Make sure the importance, the respect, you attach it to the Jubilee House. We need to lower that respect at the Flagstaff House. So the first strategy was Ahemfo started disrespecting the president. They started making derogatory statements indirectly through Ebe and Kasakwa against the seat of government. Because one, before they can dominate, before they can destroy that, they need to first make sure your relevance, they've split it into pieces. You cannot just go and take down an honorable man. You first have to start from down or somewhat digging. How do you do it? Into politicians, nanka some MPP they did not start it to a handful start here. Into batia na a handful no start cansem. Hey, you see Ethiopia. John Mahama baha and obedi asantefo atem. Ahemfo mo ti kromonim say John Mahama kan obi en defend John Mahama because that was how you denigrate the presidency. Until was yet to say, hey, you see John Mahama kwanyim Okyehene bi ba e wa Ashanti region ne Akoto so Okyehene ne tiase wan ba bontan make say there's nothing like that. Hey, you see John Mahama say or the sikakoko okra yasan. So at the end of the day no, omu create picture no and denigrate the Flagstaff House. And Jama politicians, no red meat. What did they have to do? John Mahama ya kromfo. John Mahama ya incompetent. Ibrahim Mahama ye wi. Oma koto dan o Dubai. Oma koto ship or Switzerland. And ye totoma na pomo. And omodeti radio so na radio for no boa omo.
You're waiting for winning and some year KT and then another Jantuah one in some one to the NAPO Mati Opoku Prempe and Saba Okaye a campaign platform so I don't know one reactor one other and some good one Eddie because GCD so and our Heno so when you subscribe we are promoting say over subscribe to the channel Sanse Hadie latest and hot news in Kwa and I'm the Bremo I feel we are now one like video and give us a thumbs up Nafi share my offer so now when you be here now and someone Akoto Ewo Ghana memoir. Also with me actually working for Fire and somewhere now Ewo comment boxing. In my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.